Dale from Gale Force Winds, and I want to tell you, I'm having a great day here at Herzing College. I'm learning some pretty cool things, people that are doing very interesting things, teaching people trades and skills that are much needed in our workforce right now. Why don't you go ahead, introduce yourself, tell us what you do here.
Well, my name is Winston Plummer. I'm a professor here for over 7 years now. My job here is I teach the Gas 3, Gas 2, and the HVAC portion of the course. One of my main aim is molding minds, teaching the safeties, the important part, and not only sending guys out in the field with theoretical knowledge, but as you can see, our lab is well equipped with equipment where students have the ability to test, do the same work that they would do in a client's home.
Wow. So you've been in the industry for a long time now?
Yes, it is.
How long have you been in?
I'd say about 28 years.
So, okay, right. So you've been around, you know the ups and downs and what needs to be done and how a new worker needs to come into the setting, right?
Yes.
So you bring that. That's got to be amazing for a student to know that their instructor has been there and done it all, right?
Well, it is. Well, I still do have a company that I run outside with employees and stuff that are in the field.
Okay.
So that blend and that knowledge, when you're lecturing, you're not only teaching them what's in the book, but you are actually giving them the experience that is in the field.
Yeah, it must be amazing for you to see new students come in here, not quite sure if this is right for them or if they can do it, and then taking them through that journey and then seeing them graduate. How does that make you feel?
Well, for me, the biggest reward and the payback that I get from it is the fact when I can get somebody that never knows anything, and doing the G3 process within 12 weeks, to at the end they end up knowing the code, they're able to touch, change, do this. In such a short space of time, you can change somebody's life and they move on to different levels. That's the greatest reward, because now you have helped somebody into a career and they have that level of confidence for them to move on to the next phase.
And these are good careers, man. Like, these are the kind of careers you can raise a family on. Good money, good jobs, everything, right?
In my opinion, yes, it is an excellent career. Pays well as you move up into the different levels, and you can more than take care of your family, right? Yeah. I live very comfortable and humbled for that part of it, and I respect the trade. And I'm very passionate about it, and that's why I do what I do.
You can tell you're very passionate about it, right? And you're passing that passion on to that next generation that's going in and working alongside your colleagues. Because the stuff you're teaching, man, this is dangerous stuff. You got to get it right.
Well, we have to, because it's a regulated trade. And in terms of the regulation, you have to ensure that everyone that goes out there, the most important part is safety. Safety not only for themselves, but for the entire environment, the public, and guys do things within the regulations and so forth, so that they can go back home to their family safely.
Yeah. Listen, man, it's been great to be in conversation with you. Thanks for what you're doing. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.